How you guys doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good and stuff?
Thank you for coming. I'm like, I gotta call you on IG calling because why isn't the door opening?
Yeah, the building sometimes locking at the same time.
You look really nice. My friend who invited me. I think this way is better. Tell them who you are.
My name is Amaru Frank. Great meeting you guys. You guys gonna learn a lot today.
Hi, how are you?
You can see her.
How are you doing today?
I'm good. Love the dress.
Thank you. I love what you got on too. Thank you.
Another man. That's how we think. Okay, fair. More. And then here, retirement, people are not having enough for retirement, and that's why when you go to Walmart or Publix, you're seeing people still in their 70s still having to work. 80s.
When you getting when you retire, Social Security you can't make a certain amount. So basically, you got most of them go out to work and they gotta pay medical bills.
There you go. And people think that.
I would say they value it because they know that in most countries, if you don't put food on the table,
You're done, right? Okay. So wait a second. You nailed it. People are lazy today. 24 years old, female. She wants 500,000 of coverage. I got 75 cousins. So they're one side of the family, my mom's side. Big family. And I'm like the quietest one out of all of them.
Hey vlog, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shelly and I'm back with another video. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for the vibes. So I know you guys been checking up on me, asking me how am I doing. I'm still in a lot of pain, but I'm doing okay. So I'm here at the chiropractor. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I'm about to enter right now. I will take you guys with me. I will record as much as I can. So today I tried to do a little beat because I was like, you know what, I don't feel good, so I don't need to not look good and not feel good as well. So I know I look so nice and so pretty, but y'all, I'm in a lot of pain. I feel like this is the most I've smiled in a month. So it is raining right now. Need a little droplets. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm actually already like 5 minutes late, so I'll pick you guys back up. I'm good, Charlene. I don't even think I love my car.
I did not picture myself surviving through that day.
Okay. So they asked me for my ID and my insurance card.
I've been kidnapped. To be hosted by the British monarch for not one, but two state visits. Trump last met with the royals during his first term as president in 2019. Also here this evening, the Hamas-run Gaza Health Ministry is now saying that over 65,000 Palestinians have died since the start of the war between Israel and Hamas. Well, that number includes more than 2,000 people who died while trying to access food at a distribution point. This is across the strip at several different ones since May. This also comes as Israel's military is expanding its ground operation in Gaza City. The IDF saying that more than 400,000 people have since evacuated. ABC News freelance producer Dia Astas is on the ground for us.
To flee from the heavy bombardment and the intensified bombardment in this area days ago.
Okay, so it's gonna be a matcha latte with. Do you have the cereal milk?
Yeah.
Okay, can I have it with cereal and oat milk, cold foam?
You want a medium iced matcha latte?
Yes, please.
With cereal milk?
Cold foam, oat milk, 2 vanilla, 2 pumps of vanilla, and let's try the shot. Is the sweetener, right?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, please.
So
And
cereal milk, oat milk, and 3 vanilla shots.
yes, I have question for you. Do you guys have like lavender?
No, we don't.
Or blueberry?
We have blueberries.
Can I get some blueberry with it as well? That should be all.
Okay, so it's a medium ice matcha latte with cereal milk and oat milk, cold foam, 3 vanilla shots, and 3 blueberry shots.
Yes, 3 blueberry shots.
And cold foam.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Okay. So we're gonna see how this tastes, because I've been hearing a lot of good things about it. This boy just ran across the thing because he wanted to talk to the girl. Look at him. I have the Dunkin' app. Did y'all know YouTube gave me? Thank you, baby. Did y'all know YouTube gave me some money? Thank you, my love. So I'm paying with this voucher YouTube gave me. Thank you so much, YouTube, for considering me with these special treats. Y'all, YouTube being giving me so much things. Oh my god, like, YouTube love me that much. So they call them like partner perks, and they sent me a few different perks. When I activate them, I'll definitely show you guys what they are. So they send me a Dunkin' card, and I uploaded it on my Dunkin' app, and now I'm ordering this drink.
You got 16 minutes, you're falling.
I'm gonna get my drink, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. This little Dunkin' is so cute. Make sure you make it with love. I said make sure she makes it with a lot of love.
A lot of love?
Yes. Thank you, babes. Because I'm trying this recipe, and I just hope it tastes good. I especially has cereal milk. Like, we will see. I did forget I have this light, so the light's gonna change a bit. The quality is gonna change, but that's okay. That is okay. On me and my bust down 30 inches. Tonight I think I'm gonna go ahead. I got some PR from L'Oreal. This brush that actually dyes your hair. I'm going to try that. I'm gonna try it on these bundles. These bundles are brown. It looks a little bit black, but it's really brown. Like, if you know hair, this is giving like a number 4. No. Yeah, this is really giving like a number 2, to be honest. A number 2, because then it's number 1, number 2, and then number 4. So 4 is like very brown, like natural brown, and then 2 is like off black. So much, my love. Has anyone ordered this before? No, my first person. I gave you a lot of trouble. Okay, let's see. She said she put all her love in this. This is the body matcha type of drink. You know, body tea, body matcha. She's laughing at me, y'all. Okay, y'all, let's try it. You know, to be honest, if you want to mix your matcha, all you gotta do is blow in it. When you blow, it actually mix it up. So I did get 3 pints of matcha powder, 3 pints of vanilla shot, 3 blueberry shot, cereal, milk, oat milk, regular milk, and cold foam. Yes, this is good. I think it's the cereal milk. Oh, this is good. Yo, I feel like I'll drink this in one sitting. Ooh. I need to take a picture. He said, "What you waiting on? I'm taking pictures of my drink. Let me leave." He said, "What she waiting on?" Thank you, babies.